Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate an Android application 24 hours tracking tool. For this I'm using the Android Studio as my tool. It is purely an Android application built on SDK, and the entire content is displayed in this. For this is my Android application, Android Studio, where I have executed. Okay, the Android application uses the SQLite database for storing and retrieving the details. The main purpose of this app is to store the call records and the messages. First, what we need to do is, first we need to create an emulator, and then the emulator will be start. Okay, before that, what I will show is, I have created two pages. One is the registration page and one is the login page. Okay, for this, this is the login layout. These are the buttons I'm using. This is the login ID and password, and this is the sign in button. Okay, this is my activity page, where once we log in, it shows the activity page. Okay, first what we need to do is, in this app, first we need to register. This is the design of my register 24 hours tracking app, where we need to register. It asks for the username, password, and the contact number and the email ID, and we need to register. Okay, I will demonstrate how to log in. This is the 24 hours tracking tool. Here I'm entering the username, contact number, I'm giving the password. You can use any password which you remember. See, we can see that successfully registered. Now I will log in. Click sign in. See, we can see that in this we have two logs. One is for messages and one is for call log. If I click on call log, it will ask me for the select date. I have selected the date and click OK. See, we can see that all the call details are recorded. Okay, select messages and select the date. I have selected today's date and click on OK. We can see that the messages are recorded. This is the layout. This is the layout of the 24 hours tracking tool. Okay, I'm starting the emulator, and Nexus 5X is my emulator, and click OK. See, we can see that the process is running and the emulator is opening. See, here the emulator is open. And my Android app phone is turning on. See, the phone is turned on, and we can see here 24 hours tracking tool. Click on this. See, this is the layout of the 24 hours tracking tool, where we need to click here to register. I'm entering my name and giving my contact number, and giving my email address. And give any password. Click on register. Registered successfully. Now I'm logging. I have signed in, and here we can see that we got two. One is messages, one is call log. Click on call log and select date. I've selected today's date, which will display the call records as I have shown before. This is the code for my registration page. As we can see that the layout of my registration page, and this is the layout of my login page. This is the code for my call activity page. Where the activity is activity for the calls is made. This is the code for my login page, where we have used the email ID and password as the buttons, as the authentication details in order to log in. And this is the message bar code, and this is the registration page. In the registration page we have added the registration. If the registration is made successfully, then we can view it as successfully registered, or else it shows registration unsuccessful. And we have added the information such as enter the email address, password, and the contact information. And this is the code. And this is the main activity, where we will perform the registration and the a login in order to view the call details. Thank you.